Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a Technology Solutions Specialist here at Barcode Warehouse, and today we're looking at Brother's range of linerless printers. 3 printers in the linerless range are the Brother TD4D desktop printer, the Brother RJ3250WB mobile printer, and the RJ4250WB mobile printer. The TD4D is perfect for producing sharp, easy to scan 4-inch labels in the retail, warehousing and food labelling industries, with such features as direct thermal printing, up to 300 dpi resolution, fast print speeds up to 203mm a second, auto media configuration for easy setup, USB and serial connectivity as standard, various printer command languages supported, including ZPL2 emulation for simple integration. The RJ3250WB is a 3-inch label and receipt printer, designed to endure usage in various challenging environments, making it an essential tool for workers on the go. Features include a compact and rugged design with a 2-meter drop spec and an IP54 sealing rating, a variety of connectivity options such as USB-C, NFC, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, smart lithium-ion battery designed to last, fast printing while you work with print speeds of up to 127mm a second, and AirPrint compatibility for printing without printer drivers. The RJ4250WB is a 4-inch rugged mobile label and receipt printer, suited for transport and logistics, warehouse, field service and public service workers, with features such as being compatible with Windows operating systems, ready to integrate with iOS and Android apps, portable robust design, mobile deploy, which allows you to maintain and update the entire fleet of Brother mobile printers simultaneously with the click of a button, LCD display, a wide range of connectivity options including USB 2.0 full speed and mini B, Bluetooth version 4.2, and supporting low energy and NFC passive connectivity. Linerless labels are continuous rolls of adhesive material. That means they can be printed on and cut to size without needing additional backing line. This results in less label rolls required for the same number of label prints. This in turn reduces the waste associated with traditional labels, and this fits more labels per roll, which saves you space, money and time from changing rolls.